Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to build CRUD operations using PHP and MySQL database. So for this I am going to use localhost XAMPP server. So I will open my XAMPP control panel. So once you open control panel, just start Apache and MySQL. So once you start Apache and MySQL, now just click on admin under MySQL. Now once you are in PHP MyAdmin, you have to first create database and table. So just click on SQL. So I have the code for creating database and table. So create database, you can give the name my CRUD. Here use my CRUD. And create table users. So users is the table name. ID integer auto increment, primary key, name worker, email worker, phone worker, gender worker, DOB date, address, text. So just select and then click on go. So now we have database my CRUD. If we expand the database, you are going to see table users, and if you click on structure, you can see the name, type, collation, and the fields and the data type. You can see ID is set to primary key, data type is integer, and it is auto increment. So once you do that, just go to your PC, then go to C drive, then go to XAMPP, htdocs, create a folder here and name this CRUD. Go inside the folder, then right click, open with code. Now you can see the folder CRUD. So now you have to create files under folder CRUD. Click on new file. First one is db.php. I have the code for db.php, and reason why I am doing copy and paste, because I want to save more time, and no need to worry, I will provide everything in the source code. So now you can see server name will be localhost, username root, password will be blank because I am not using any password. Database name is myCRUD. If I go to my PHP MyAdmin, I can see the database I have created, which is myCRUD. So make sure to include the database here. Then click on new file, then type index.php. This is my index.php code. I will select all, then copy and paste here. So I am going to make some changes. Here I will give student information system. So now here you can see we have the HTML tag, and here we have style. So we don't have to create CSS folder and create style.css. I can just include the style in here, and inside style we have body, container, card, .table.th and .table.td. Here inside body we have taken a container. We can name this student information system. Okay, let's change the title. Let's give PHP CRUD with MySQL. Title PHP CRUD with MySQL. H2 student information system, and we have taken div class, and here form action here will be create.php. So now we must create create.php file. Method will be post, and here we have taken label, ID, name, email, gender, date of birth, and we have taken a button. It is add user. So here will be add student. Here we have the query, select all from users. Users is the table name. You can see the table name in database myCRUD users. So make sure to type select all from users. Click on new file, then create.php. Now in create.php you must include db.php. then insert into users, and we have the fields. Now type update.php. Once you create update.php, make sure to include db.php here. And here we have the query, select all from users where id equals to $id. Then update users. So I will change I will just change the button. Here will be update student. If you want, you can give the table name students. Okay, I am using users. If you want, you can give the table name students. Now we need delete.php. So make sure to include db.php. Then we have the SQL query, delete from users. Users is the table name where id equals to $id. Okay, so let's click on file and save all and go to our browser. Here type in the address bar localhost / folder name CRUD / you can type also index.php. Just type localhost / folder name then index.php. So now I can see the title PHP CRUD with MySQL. Here student information system, then we have ID, name, email, phone, gender, DOB, address. So here no users found. Okay, so I will go to my index.php. No students found. Okay, so let's add some data. ID I will give 1. Name, let's give a name. Email, class 1 2 3 4. Gender male. Date of birth address. Let's give first London. Now if I click on add student, I can see my data here. Now let's check database. So I can see the record in MySQL database. So I can see all the data here in MySQL database: name, email, phone, gender, DOB, address. And if I make any mistake, I can update. So let's try to update. I want to update ID 10, so I will just click on edit. So once I click on edit, it is showing me update student. Now I can update. So you can see the record has been updated. Now let's delete. So I want to delete ID 10 9. So in this way you can create CRUD using PHP and MySQL database. And make sure to like and subscribe and watch more videos.